It's important to note that while some plants and herbs are traditionally believed to have aphrodisiac properties, scientific evidence supporting their effectiveness in increasing sexual desire or performance is often limited or inconclusive. Additionally, individual reactions to these substances can vary greatly. If you have concerns about sexual health or desire, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional for guidance and appropriate treatment options. That said, here are 5 plants that have been traditionally associated with aphrodisiac qualities. 1. Ginseng. Ginseng is a popular herb that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine systems like traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. Some studies suggest that it may improve sexual function and arousal in both men and women. 2. Maca. Maca root, native to the Andes of Peru, is often touted as a natural aphrodisiac. It's believed to enhance sexual desire and performance, although scientific evidence is mixed. 3. Tribulus terrestris. Also known as puncture vine, Tribulus terrestris is thought to boost libido in both men and women. Some studies have indicated potential benefits for improving sexual function in men with erectile dysfunction. 4. Yohimbe. Yohimbe bark contains an active compound called yohimbine, which is sometimes used as an aphrodisiac and for treating erectile dysfunction. However, it can have side effects and should be used with caution. 5. Horny goat weed. This herb is believed to have aphrodisiac properties and is commonly used in traditional Chinese medicine. Some studies have suggested that it may help improve sexual function. To learn more about medicinal plants and how to grow them, check the link in my profile.